Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, your mobile number or ID and an updated public bank app. Open the app, tap Do It Now, and choose Register or Link Now. Enter the exact mobile number or NRIC you want to register. This ties payments to you. Once done, you'll see a confirmation screen. Make sure the displayed name matches your account. If it doesn't, pause and double-check your bank profile before proceeding to avoid misdirected transfers. Next, you pick which public bank account receives Do It Now payments and follow verification prompts. You'll receive an SMS OTP or use in-app fingerprint/face ID. Enter or approve it promptly because codes expire. Once authenticated, review the mapping, mobile number or ID linked to your chosen account. Confirm the details and accept the terms to finalize the connection. After that, the app shows a successful registration message. Note the reference or screenshot for your records. Finish by making a small test transfer to ensure Do It Now works as expected. This verifies the receiver and routing. If a transfer fails or registration errors occur, first confirm the mobile number or ID entered. Then retry or wait 15 to 30 minutes for system updates. You can also contact public bank support for immediate help. If the displayed name is incorrect, cancel the link and re-register with the correct account details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.